If you're a Kali Linux user, it is very important that you understand where the files are located in your system. Now you can search for each of the files one by going into each of the directory, but that is not an efficient way of searching for files as there are thousands of files in your system. So in this video we're going to be learning how to search for files efficiently in Kali Linux. Then we're going to be learning how to search for the ROCKYOU.TXT file which is used for brute forcing. So let's get started. So I'm in my Kali Linux right now. I will first open the terminal. If I give the ls command, I can see that there is a file called file1.txt. Now suppose I do not know the location of this file and I want to search for this file. So for that we can use the find command. So I will type find space the path of the directory where your file might be located. If you have no idea where your file might be located, then you can search everything under the root directory. So you can give a forward slash space. Since we want to filter by name, I will type dash name space in double quotation the name of the file, which is file1.txt for me. But suppose if you're sure that your file1.txt must be under the home directory, but you're specifically not sure that which directory it might be under, then you can type something like this, which will filter everything by file1.txt under the home directory. But suppose in this case I do not know that it is under the home directory, so I will search my whole machine for this file1.txt. Now if I press enter, it displays output with the permission denied error. So what we can do is filter our search by removing the error. So to do that, I will give the previous command and give one space and type 2. 2 means error message. So I want to redirect the permission denied error message in the null file which is under the dev directory. Think of the null file as a virtual trash file. Anything you put under this file will disappear forever. And now if I press enter, it will give me the valid location of the file without the error message cluttering the terminal. So right now I have filtered the search result with name only, the name that matches the file1.txt. You can also search for all the directories or the files under any specific directory. I'll show you with one example. I will type find space. I want to search all the directories under var log. Since I want to search for the directories only and not the files, I will type dash type space d. D stands for directories. If you wanted to search for files, it would have been F, but since I want to search for directories, it is D for me, space. I want to redirect the error message in the null file, and with this command, I can see all the directories that are under the log directory and no file is shown. You can filter by size too, so type size and your desired size. So suppose if I wanted to filter by anything that is above 2 MB, I will type plus 2 capital M. Now it will search for everything that is over 2 MB, and if I press enter, I can see all the files that are over 2 MB. Now with everything that we have learned so far, let's try to find the file ROCKYOU.TXT. Before that, if you want to learn commands like find and master terminal commands in Kali Linux, then click the first link in the description box and you will get the Kali Linux cheat sheet with all the commands. This cheat sheet will help you search for the commands very easily when you need it. So click the first link in the description box. So I'm back again in my Kali Linux, and if I want to search for the file ROCKYOU.TXT, I will type the command find space. I want to search everything under the root directory because I don't know where the file is located. And since I know it is a file and not a directory, I will type dash type space f space dash name in double quotation, type rockyou dot asterisk because I want to search everything after rockyou, and I will redirect the error output under the dev null file, and I can see I get the correct location of the rockyou.txt file, and it is under the word list directory. So that is how to search for files in Kali Linux. You can learn more about the find command with the command man space find, and you will get the manual page. So that is for the end of the video. If you like this video and want to watch more content related to Kali Linux or ethical hacking, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.